Hi again, guys. Good evening, good afternoon. I don't know, but today we're going to eat our merienda. We have here her food, penoy, fried penoy. Yeah, fried penoy. This is for my baby girl.
I'm not a baby anymore.
Oh, sorry, your ate, and she have a drink here. No, like that. And I have here noodles with crab and
corn.
seafood boil. Of course,
Corn.
crab, shrimp, and potato with corn here. So let's start first. Oh, they can see your face, darling. Sorry, it's really hot here in the girl today, so we're actually using an aircon. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, baby. Oh, sorry. Why?
Spicy.
Really? Is it?
Mm. Like the spicy noodles.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Mommy, tanggal mo the spicy.
no, you eat. That's okay, anak. This is actually my dinner.
Bakit walang rice?
I don't like. I have noodles na.
I want to eat that, please.
Okay, later.
May we read this?
Later, darling.
Punta kami sa Ocean Park. Ocean Park. Salmon.
It's not spicy, right?
No.
My noodles is not spicy.
We're not noodles spicy.
Mm-hmm.
We're not spicy, so noodles.
It's quite spicy naman, pero it's not that, ano.
Really spicy?
Yeah. Oh.
Ayaw ko sa skin. There you go.
Oh. Hirap kumain. Oops! Ah! Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, sa kahit ayaw ka na spicy. We have
You don't have school tomorrow. You don't. Zizi, anak, hindi mo kaya yan.
Is that? Oh my gosh.
I told you. It's very hard to open.
Me. Kaya ko. It's too hard. Ow!
Told you. Baka masugat ka, anak. Anak, no, that's very loud.
I think do like that. Ow.
I told you, let me do it na lang.
Mommy, do it now. I don't have it. Who's on the sea spawn? Blah, blah, blah.
Really hard to open. Gosh.
I like him.
This is not shrimp.
No, I'm just saying them. Let me touch it. And more.
Seriously, this is not easy to eat.
I like it.
Lumayas na siya. Na-board na ata.
Test ko lang ito.
Here.
Ayan.
Zizi. Grabe. Grabe yung pawis ko. Pagbabalat lang nito.
Mami, tag mo ako. Balat mo yan.
Hmm?
Sa akin mga crabs. Tag mo ako. Balat mo ako crabs.
Oh, I think I need to eat my noodles first. Bago siya lumamig.
It's so big. Let me have my jack.
Zizi, please wait.
Oops. I still wait. Make fun of my face.
You stay here, please. Lizzie, please stay here.
I'm coming.
Oh God, so hot.
Dirty. Dirty now. Mommy, I got it.
Good.
I got the crack.
Oh,
I
it's
should be bored. I look funny.
really hot. Ugh.
Ow.
Grabe. Ang init pa niya.
Mommy, balik it for me. For sausaw. Mommy, balik ko sa akin.
Wait.
I want that. Please.
Wait lang anak kasi it's quite hot. Umuusok pa. Oh. You don't like this one na? Fried penoy.
Uh-oh, it's out. Super out. Mommy, that's my color and pencil. And the color, yeah.
You want the crabs?
Mommy, balat it.
Grabe na yung pawis mo, pati ako. And we're sweating, both of us. Because it's really hot.
Super hot! I think I need halo.
Like, we're using aircon, but still.
I'm here, acorn.
Nako. Come here. You know, it's nice to always eat with your daughter or son. But actually, I prefer when it comes to food. I think mas masarap kasama kumain ang anak na babae.
Ayaw ko na.
You don't like na?
No.
You're good.
I'm full.
You're full already?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because you ate kanina sa baba.
What's going on?
That's okay. Let's talk na lang.
Mommy.
What?
What is this?
That's your drink.
No, ito.
I don't know. Maybe that's the design of the packaging.
Mami,
Mhm.
alam mo, sabi kuya ko, ang pangit ko daw.
Ganon?
Opo. Sabi siya, lapas si Zoe dito.
Sino kamukha mo?
Daw.
Ako. You think mommy's pangit?
No.
Oo pala eh. Eh, it's not true.
I'm
Diba?
I'm a baby love love.
Yes, you're my baby love.
Uh-oh. Getting people say they love.
You're the love of my life, you know?
Yes. Hold on. Mommy, I want crabs back.
Anak no more na. Spicy na lang meron.
Spicy.
I want to dig in with a shrimp first.
Mukhang ako isa ko that I'd like.
Oh gosh. Bilis makabusog ng noodles.
Mommy, let me have my cold pencil. Mommy, here.
Sorry for that, guys. Gosh, it's really hot, so I dyed my hair. Let's continue. I forgot to put my mic again. Okay, let's go to the crabs. Wow. Let's see kung mataba siya. Oh! Oh! You know guys, ang hirap mag-vlog ng very short lang. Kasi, pag binilisan mo kasi yung kain mo, madali kang mabusog. Kaya minsan talaga kapag mabilis ako kumain, mabilis din ako nabubusog. Beloved sauce pala ulit yung sausawan ko. Wow. Masyadong mahaba tong vlog ko na to. So, later, fast track ko siya. Para short lang yung time ng video. Guys, hindi talaga ako nag-edit na ng videos ko. Kasi, I really don't know how. Pero yung pagpo-fast track, yun, alam ko yun. Oh, shucks. Messy, messy, messy one. Oh gosh, look at that. Subo. Sarap naman. Oh, my loves. Ang taba niya. Kasing taba niya yung puso ko. Magmahal. Char. Look at that meat coming out. Wow. Grabe siya nakakabusog.
Grabe?
Everything.
Everything? Oh.
The crabs kasi, they're fat.
That's what I'm telling you.
The noodles,
Yes. It's really spicy for you.
is it spicy?
Yes. For kids.
For you. Oh gosh, ito na naman ako sa messy. Super messy. Wala na anak. Okay, now, because we're done with the crabs, I'm gonna dig in with the shrimp again.
I'm not doing it.
Wala na siya magawa. Nagbo-board na siya. Kaya ginugulo na niya ako. Now, let's go with the... Oh.
You're the best mom.
I want the corn actually. Wow. Let's think it with the corn. Mm.
Ang kakao mo. Sobrang kakao mo.
Mm-hmm. Wow. I'm quite full pero ang sarap ng corn.
Your hand is turning out.
Oh, my mouth. Hmm. Hmm? Oh, I'm so full. But I want to have a bite for potato. Here, guys. Mm. Hmm. We'll just eat this later. I still have one crab here. And 2 slices of potatoes. Guys, thank you again for watching. And please, please, please help me. And please do subscribe on my channel. God bless. Bye.